Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Jeremy. I wanted to do a test between the Pocket 6K Pro and the Red V-Raptor to see how they matched up. On the 6K Pro, I shot in Blackmagic Design film on the Sigma 40mm f1.4 art lens. And on the Red, I shot in Red Log 3G10 in Red Wide Gamut on the Sigma 50mm art lens. The focal length differences are to compensate a little bit for the sensor size differences, but if you can do that math, it still doesn't quite work out. All I did with the footage was throw it into Premiere, put a Rec 709 conversion LUT on each of the raw files, and then adjust a little bit for contrast, saturation, and exposure to get them to like kind of sort of match. I'm not trying to match these cameras right now, just get it kind of baseline even. I'll reveal which camera is camera 1 and camera 2 at the end of the test footage. Enjoy. All right, so camera 1 was the Pocket 6K Pro and camera 2 was the Red V-Raptor. Think of that what you will. Anyways, my thoughts on these two cameras. For the money, Blackmagic does amazing work with their pocket cameras. If you're doing any kind of like corporate live events, you need multiple cameras, anything like that, the pockets are the way to go. I mean, for the price, it's insane. However, if you're doing higher end stuff, commercials, or you just want the best image possible for whatever you're doing, that's when you drop the money on the Red or RE or any of those higher end cinema cameras. But honestly, is there a $22,000 price difference? No. But are you getting that extra 5-10% image quality wise with the Red? Yeah. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed more test footage and other various videos about cameras and stuff to come. Cheers.